plus recursion. Recursion. But do you know about Python recursion? Curious? Okay, so today we are gonna do Python recursion. Hello everyone, I am Sayasmin Gupta and I'm 10 years old and the co-founder at 10x School Kids. So today we are gonna do Python recursion as I've told you. So let's get started. Okay, so I'll minimize the screen. Perfect. Wait, did I do that? Okay, so here is the example. So basically what is recursion is calling a function like not like making a function and then calling it inside it only. Okay, so yeah, recursion is that you make the function and inside the function only you can call your function. Okay, so let's see. So here we are making wait, this is a function which we have made, and here is our try. We are calling it, and we are giving the parameter case value as 6. Okay, so now is first case value is 6. So now sorry. So now is k greater than 0? I mean 6 greater than 0? Yes it is. So we will do result is equal to k plus try recursion k minus 1. So it's basically k, or I mean 6 plus try recursion 5, because 6 minus 1 is 5. So basically 6 plus try recursion 5. Okay, now here, now as it gets try recursion 5, our try recursion value changed to 5 and our case value changed to 5. Now we see is 5 greater than 0? Yes it is. Sorry. So we are gonna then do 5 plus try recursion 4, right? And then now our when now our try recursion value changed to 4, and we are done for 5 here. So now key value is 4, then 4 is greater than 0, and then like this is the same process going and going on. Now when we reach 0, when k's value becomes 0, so is k greater than 0? Basically is 0 greater than 0? Nope, it isn't. So it's gonna go in the else statement and do results value as 0 and return result. Okay, now as soon we did result is equal to 0, our this one that first one which we did, that 1 basically k1 plus try recursion 0, that one needed only the zeros value to be called, right? 0, it needed 0 to so that it can run and do the code. So now here we have done return result. So now we are gonna do 1 plus try recursion 0, basically 1 plus 0, as you can see on your screen. Okay, here it is. So 1 plus try recursion 0, basically 1 plus 0, which is equals to 1. Okay, so now we have got 1, so we are printing this result and then we are returning this result. Okay, now let me go in the deep of this 1 and 0 everything. Okay, so when we do return result, we our 1, when we have 1 plus try recursion 0, it's 0 over then 1, this line only needed the 0 to be called, right? Now as it is, so now it will go in the if statement, and now k's value now becomes 1. Now 1 is, so now it gets now it does this whatever that 1 plus 0 and prints the result, which is 1, and then returns it. Okay, then then now 2 needed 1 to be called, right? So in the return result, as 1 is called, now in the if statement, k's value changes to be 0. I mean 2, and then we do 2 plus 1. Okay, now when we do 2 plus 1, we get 3, and we print it, and then we return it. So this will keep on going and going and going. So, and after that we get this parrot. Okay guys, I think you have understood it, right? So this was a very short video of Python recursion, and I hope you have understood it. This was a great time, and I hope you liked the video. Thank you guys so much, and have a great day ahead. Bye guys. Dab. Bye guys. 3, 2,